Ciao ragazzi, this is Mauro G. If you loved what Jonathan Simkai did with the cargo trousers for Spring-Summer 23, you have to check out these satin jokers from the Allegra Gay store in Amazon. They are ankle length, high waist with drawstring. You can dress them up or down with high heels or sneakers, and you can find them in 15 fantastic colors for $36. We chose the grey pink color, which you can mix and match exactly like the light blue color of the picture. Hope that was inspiring. For more smart shopping options, hit like and subscribe. And remember, we dress the real.